Welcome to the front porch. Normally, I don't do unboxing videos, but I'm going to do one today because I can. iPhone 12 Pro. As always, they overspend on packaging, but it's a nice experience. So here we go. This is a solid box. I always keep these boxes because I think I'm going to do something with them, and I never do. And there she is. Not bad. I'm filming this with my iPhone 11 Pro, so I can't really help. Can't really compare the two, like side by side, because I'm filming with the other one. But I can tell you this, the Pacific Blue, as they call it, this is a nice looking phone. Seems like the edges are a lot like it used to be with the iPhone 1, and I do see the way they have the separations for the metal antennas probably run around the outside like the old phones for antenna gate. You're holding it wrong. Remember those days? So you can see, since the edges are straight, they've got the little lines, and I will bet, I don't know because I haven't teared it apart yet, but I would bet those are to isolate the elements. Well, let's turn it on and see if it works. While I wait, let's have a look at this. 3 cameras, just like the Pro 11, and that little sucker there should be a LiDAR sensor. And I've seen people playing around with the LiDAR sensor before, and it seems like it actually uses a matrix of dots, like an actual LiDAR sensor, and not just a single time of flight like Google's Android models seem to. Well, it's powering on. If you all want to see picture comparisons, let me know in the comments and I will post them. So about what's in the box. Came with a cable, standard lightning cable, USB-C on this side. That's nice. No charger. Thanks, guys. I guess they assume. No, they said it's for environmental purposes. They're not including chargers, but I'm not buying it. I'm thinking if they, I don't know what the economics of this are, but I would imagine if they save $1, I'm sure they save a lot more than that. But if they save $1 on every iPhone they sell, and they're going to sell millions, if not billions, they're going to make an awful lot of money from just that. And actually, the truth is I do have other chargers around, and these days I would imagine most people do. I would feel better about it if they didn't say it was for environmental reasons, because I don't buy it. But I don't have a big problem with them not including it. I just don't buy that. Anyway, so that's all I've got. We'll see how it goes. See ya.